Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: method references with instance method for runnable interface in multi-threading concept of Java programming. So first of all, what are method references in Java programming? So this feature was introduced in Java in JDK 1.8 or Java 8 version. So what is the use of method reference? So method reference, it is mainly used to refer abstract methods of functional interfaces. So functional interfaces are those interfaces which contains only one abstract method. So whenever we are using a functional interface to redefine this one abstract method, we can use an anonymous class, we can use a lambda expression, and we can use as a method reference substitute for lambda expression. So it is the simplest form of lambda expression, and then here we can replace lambda expression with method references. So method references in Java are done in three ways. First one, reference to static method. Second one, reference to instance method. And third one, reference to a constructor. So three ways to work with method references. So now let us try to understand what is the syntax to work with method reference to instance method for runnable interface run method. So here instance means object. So object related methods are instance methods. So the syntax to perform method reference to instance method is object reference variable name or object name double colon followed by instance method name. So don't use circle parenthesis. So without circle parenthesis. So runnable interface. So runnable interface is a functional interface. It contains only one abstract method, right? So if you see the description of runnable interface, which is available in java.lang package, so in runnable interface we have only one abstract method, which is run method, and this run method is responsible for multi-threading logic in a Java program. So since it is having only one abstract method, it is a functional interface. So this runnable interface is used with thread class constructor. So we have to pass runnable interface object reference. Okay, implementation class object reference to thread class constructor. So public thread runnable, and then using the thread class reference object reference, we have to call the start method, right? So it is used like this: runnable r1 is equals to followed by object name double colon instance method name, and then pass this runnable object reference implementation class object reference to the thread class constructor, and create a thread object and start the thread object t1.start. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Method reference example 5.java. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to demo method reference to instance method for runnable interface run method multi-threading concept. So directly take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory, right? So here I'm taking two instance methods, public void m1, public void m2. So in this instance methods I'm writing the logic for multi-threading. So taking a for loop I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus 1, I plus plus, and printing m1 method is reference to run method plus I. So it will execute 10 times. Similarly in m2 method we are taking a for loop j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to 10, j plus plus, and then we are printing a message here with the 3 tab spaces. 1, 2, 3. M2 method is reference to run method plus J. So M1 method will come on the left side and M2 method messages will come on the right side with the 3 tab spaces, including I value 1 to 10 and J value 1 to 10. Right, so program execution starts with main method or main thread. So in the main thread, let us create an object of our class. Method reference example 5 obj is equals to new method reference example 5. Right. So let us work with runnable interface. Runnable R1 is equals to, we have to take an anonymous class with run method or lambda expression redefining the run method, or replacement is method reference. So obj double colon m1. So run method reference is m1 instance method. Now pass this runnable interface reference as a parameter to the thread class constructor and create t1 object and start t1 dot start. Right. So put command for the remaining cases. Save this program. Come to the command prompt. Compile the program. So method reference example 5.java. Right. So no error, and then run it. So M1 method is reference to run method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll take another thread object and make it as parallel execution, multi-threading concept. So directly we can also pass parameter to the thread class object using thread class constructor using anonymous object. So thread t2 is equals to new thread. So directly create an object of your class which contains instance method m2. So new method reference example 5 constructor. So it will create an object and return the object reference double colon m2 instance method. So here for thread class object we pass runnable object as input parameter. So automatically this is considered to be reference to run method, method reference to run method, and then start t2. So save this program, come to the command prompt, recompile, and then run. So parallel execution is supposed to take place. So m1 run method 1 to 10, m2 run method 1 to 10. Execute it once again. So m1 method run method 3 times, m2 method run method 1 time, m1 method run method 4 times, so on till m1 method in the last run method 8, 9, 10. So parallel execution will happen, and this pattern changes from execution to execution and program to program because it is the decision of JVM and OS CPU scheduling algorithms which will give chance for thread execution in CPU. So this is how we are supposed to work with method reference with instance method for runnable interface in multi-threading concept of Java programming. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.